Right, our next award, it's the TCT Software Award. In this digital age, software is the unsung hero of 3D printing. It's the brains behind the build, transforming lines of code into layers of materials. Well, tonight we honor the developers whose software solutions keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in additive manufacturing. The highly commended project in this category is AI Recoater Eye Online Quality Monitoring by Nebumind in partnership with ISAR Aerospace Technologies and EOS. Congratulations. And to help me present the awards, please welcome onto the stage, on behalf of our sponsors, Polygonica, it's Dr. Fen Qiang Lin, the winner of this wonderful award, the TCT Software Awards 2024 is Fixturemate by trinckle in partnership with Deutsche Bahn, Audi Sports and Erics.